I think I finally found the coolest and best grow light out there. Check this out. This is a smart grow light by the company called Haus. Now, I'm not normally trying to add extra technology into my life where it's not needed, but this smart grow light is amazing. Not only does this grow light offer your plants everything they need to thrive and be happy, it's very bright, it's full spectrum, so it's gonna cover all the different stages in its growth life cycle. It's energy efficient LED, so it doesn't cost a lot to actually keep on. It never gets hot and it lasts a super long time. It's also super easy to use and install. So it ticks off all of the essential requirements for a good grow light, but it takes it a step further because with every light bulb, it actually comes with a super easy to use app. I installed it in like 5 minutes, had it up and running. And with this app, I can turn my power on and off. I can go from warm to cool and back again. I can even dim the light, which is super helpful. It's got a super easy to use interface, and you can even set a timer so you're no longer fumbling around with those hard to use timers. You can set it, turn on at 8 a.m., turn off at 8 p.m. But even better than that, you can actually put your location, your address into the app. And then you can have it automatically coincide with the sunrises and sunsets, which is the way I like to do it. I like to have it turn on with the sunrise, turn off with the sunset. But one of my favorite features about this app and using this grow light is I can have it examine the current weather conditions where I live. And if it's a bright, warm, sunny day, then the grow light turns off automatically, and my wife loves that. She's always harping on me about having my lights on when it's nice and bright and sunny out, and it's so true. If you are looking to add some new grow lights to your houseplant garden, consider these smart grow light bulbs by Haus. It's an amazing light bulb at an awesome price, but if you want a little bit extra discount, check my description below for an added discount code. All right, guys, time for me to get back to catching some rays.